What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, I'm getting ready to hit the town. I know it's a weekday, but that's okay because I have more fun during the weekday because I can have the restaurants, the fun, the enjoyment to myself. But I just wanted to bring y'all a little bit of everything in this video this time around because it's been a minute since I did that. And y'all, I also wanted to let y'all know, Mother's Day is coming up really soon. Okay, check out the date. Do you have your mother in mind? Do you know what you're going to get her? Well, let me tell you about one thing that I love and I adore is my Teddy Blake purse. Yes, darling. Now, let me refresh your memory. You may have forgotten. If you weren't around and hanging out with me at that time, I understand. But about almost 6 months ago now, Teddy Blake gifted me this beautiful 15-inch Bella Croco in dark brown. Y'all, that was around November 2020. But y'all, look at this purse. After usage, after taking it everywhere I wanted to go with it, this purse looks gorgeous, okay? If you don't know, I am super excited to let y'all know if you're looking for quality, if you're looking for luxury, if you're bougie on a budget, I think you need to be shopping at Teddy Blake. Now listen, I joined the team with Teddy Blake, and I'm so glad they have partnered with me to let you know if you're looking for something amazing for Mother's Day, for that special mom. Yes, Teddy Blake is the way to go. The quality is top quality. The leather, the best I've ever felt. And the craftsmanship is impeccable. Teddy Blake. Hey, check out my link down below. I have an additional 30% off for you on top of the great savings that's already on their website. Thanks again, Teddy Blake, for gifting me this wonderful, beautiful, immaculate purse. And listen, beautiful babes, I want y'all to share in the fun as well. So make sure you check out my link below. And I want to thank Teddy Blake for partnering with me on today's video. Now let's get into this get ready with me so I can use all of the new makeup that I've gotten, and also you can check out the full attire that I'm wearing today. Let's get it. Now, first things first, you know you have to start with a clean slate. So make sure you go ahead and shave your face. And do not forget the sunscreen. Gotta have it. All of my links will be below for you, so check out the description box, beautiful babes. I put it on my shoulders too, and then I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face using this e.l.f. Hydro something or another. I love this little stuff. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And honey, I'm really glossed up right about now, but gotta moisturize the skin. I forgot to use my new Windsor Botanical eye cream, so I'm using this one, which is pretty good. I like this one as well. Getting the brows done. Again, still using Avon, but I'm adding a little bit of a different twist with my brows because I did pick up my brow pencil from Fenty Beauty, so I'll be using that as well. So I really didn't plan on doing like a voiceover today, but girl, since I'm here, why not hang out just a little bit with y'all so I can tell you some of the new stuff that I got, because I got a couple of new things that I wanted to break open today. And my brow pencil here from Fenty is one of those. Of course, I did get I believe medium brown in this, but I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna make sure I put everything in the description box for you so you'll know specifically in case you want the same shades that I got. Okay. And I love this little brush on the end of it. I don't think I showed this when I did my actual haul, but this brush is so cute. It's different. It's not like the spoolie. It's so cute. And the concealer, I believe I'm using 260 just to clean up the brows. Yes, hunty. And look here, if y'all haven't subscribed, you know you need to be getting it, right? Get on top of it. Subscribe to the channel. Be here the next time I upload. That means you got to turn on your bell notification so that you'll be in the know when I upload. Because I want you here. I want you all the way here. Yes, indeed. Now just blending it all out. Yes, I am. This concealer blends great. It's got great coverage to it. I like it a lot. And now I'm using the setting powder from Fenty. Fenty got me hooked. I like it. You know, I don't really change up makeup a whole lot, but since I got new products, I am all for using them to the fullest. And yes, I got the Morphe James Charles palette. I've been wanting it for a while. You know, I don't care about all the hoopla and all that stuff. All I know is if it's a good product, I want to try it out. I ain't got nothing to do with nothing else. All I know is I am trying this palette, and I have been consistently using it probably for the last week or so. If y'all recall, Maddie and I swung by Ulta, and yes, that's when I picked it up. And I definitely do love it. It's full of great, amazing colors. I got colors for springtime. I got colors for fall. So I really don't have to venture into any more eyeshadows. But because we over here and over there doing makeup, you know, I'll be buying a few things here and there, y'all. Don't worry. Yes, indeed. Check out this eyeshadow look today. I know there was mention of this palette, the James Charles palette, staining the eyes, but I haven't experienced that. Maybe it's certain colors. And yes, I tried to turn myself where you all could actually see me applying it. I'm trying to do better. You know, the girl can't see, so she has to turn all kind of wrong ways sometimes. And today just so happened everything seems as though it's aimed correctly so that you all can actually see me going through the process better. And I don't think I got out of frame, not a once. And yes, my eyes, it's allergy season, so I got to put in my Visine, y'all. So excuse me, I didn't cut this out because I wanted you to know the real deal of what I'm doing. Now I'm taking my Glimmer Sticks by Avon, and my brow pencil is also a Glimmer Sticks brow pencil by Avon that I used. And this one is the eyeliner. And of course, I gotta do something with my Fenty Beauty eyeshadows, my little Snap It palettes, or whatever they call it. I can't ever remember the names of this stuff, you know. And yes, my Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I don't know if this one is waterproof or not. I will not be wearing it on the stage this coming weekend. Yes, we have a show in Little Rock, Arkansas. So if y'all have not heard, I'll be at the Arkansas State Fairgrounds. Come out to see your girl, Sweet Angel, hit the stage. Yes, Saturday, April 17th. I want to see you there if you're in that area. But speaking of the eyeliner, I'm definitely going to be using my Kat Von D eyeliner, my tattoo liner, and of course waterproof mascara, my Maybelline Falsies Volume Express. Gotta have it on deck every time. And my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I love this. I do love this. It does a wonderful job. I put a little bit too much on this time around, but you know, it's all good. We're going to keep it like it is. And I'm still using the Fenty Beauty Primer as well. This one is hydrating, and the e.l.f. is poreless, and I just mix them all together because I'm special like that. So I had to wet my sponge, and now I'm going to use my concealer. I'm not using foundation today, just using the concealer in my little hot spots, and that's about it. Well, taking my beauty blender, which is Real Technique sponge, which is a Real Technique sponge actually, and I spritzed it with the Fenty Beauty hydrating spray and blended the concealer out. That one is number 330 that I'm putting all over, which is pretty much an ideal shade for my complexion. And then I put the 260 on just to bring a little highlight to my under eye area, my chin, and so forth. So you can see me doing that. That's it. That's it. What's next? I don't know. It looks like I'm putting on a little powder. Yes, I must have cut that out. I don't know. But I'm putting on the powder just a little bit lightly. I don't bake. Don't shake and bake around here. All we do is just lightly powder down underneath the eyes. And now I'm going to bronze it up. And this one is in Private Island Fenty Beauty. And kind of shave off a little bit of that nose. Yeah, that helped a lot. And yes, go ahead and bronze it up a little bit here, cheeks, forehead, and underneath my chinny chin. That's how we do it. And beautiful babes, you can subscribe right now. Just look under this video, click subscribe if you have not already, and join my beautiful babe brigade. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Now turn on the bell notification. I want to see that number go up. I want a lot of y'all in here when I upload. So please turn on your bell notification. Can't stress it enough. Really, it helps me out. Helps me keep doing what I'm doing. If you enjoy the content, let's keep it going. Now, I kid you not, my favorite blush right here, Tarte Amazonian Clay in Pampered, my favorite one. I use it all the time and it never disappears. It's still here after, I don't know, I've had this for a while, 3 or 4 years probably, a while. Yes, I have. And now we're going to highlight. I got my Killawatt. I believe that's the one I'm using, Killawatt. I get confused about this packaging. I don't know which from who to who. But do a little nose, forehead, and the highlighted parts of my cheekbones. Yes, high points there. Spritz, spritz, spritz a little of the mist on my face. Yeah, that really helps it pop. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. You see the glow? Do you see the glow? Absolutely. And yes, check the description box for my links. Most of them will be affiliate links. I would get paid a commission if you use my links. So I use magic links as well, whereas I may not be an affiliate of Fenty, but I can still earn a commission. All of these things, if y'all want me to talk about them in an upcoming video on one of my channels, let me know how you can earn a little stash, you know, by using affiliate links. And I guess I'm having a good time watching the tube or something on my tablet over there. So my lipstick is Milani. I can't remember what color this is. It's a matte something or iconic matte or matte iconic or something like that, but it'll be linked below as well. I must be listening to some music. Am I jamming? Yeah. And of course my Fenty Beauty, I don't know what that says. Does it say anything? I can't remember the name of it. It will be listed below as well. Got those lips done, girl. Now, y'all know I styled my hair, but I just brushed it all back and pushed it up. And now I got to give it a little bit of height because I don't like it real flat. It really has grown a lot. This morning, I went ahead and cut the sides down and went ahead and shaved the back of it. And I got new eyelashes, Eylure London, the definitions. My goodness, I saw these at Ulta when I picked up that James Charles palette, and I said, I've got to try these. Everybody talks about Eylure, and honey, yes, tells you right eye, left eye, and the glue. So let's see what they're talking about, because I like the style. I love wispy lashes. That's what I use most of the time, wispy style. But I've got to use my Lash XO glue. And y'all may notice this one is white. I usually use a black. This one does change over, I guess, as it dries, which will indicate to you that it's dry. But I'm not really sure if this is the waterproof kind or not. It says it's water resistant. However, when I hit the stage now, I cannot take any chances. I do have like 1 or 2 more of the black lash glue left from Lash XO, but I'm not sure if they're still making it or what's going on. But Amazon does not indicate that they have it any longer, so I don't know. Checking out these lashes. I think they're a great length. I love the style, and I think I'm going to probably head for these a couple of times every now and then. You know, they're not as affordable as the ones I get at the beauty supply store, but they look very durable. They appear that you can wear them more than one time, so I think on the box it said you can wear them about 10 times. Do you like the look? That's them. That's them. Let me see. Does it say? Oh, it says reusable 5 wears. Honey, I can get more than that. And now it's outfit of the day. Yes, I have my Sheen top on. It's a crop top. I'll have the link below. My shoes are from Amazon. My black pants are from Amazon. My jewelry is from Amazon. And I am rocking my Teddy Blake 15-inch Bella Croco purse. Yes, in dark brown. Absolutely love this purse, y'all. This is it. I hope you have enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me, featuring my Teddy Blake purse and my new makeup, my outfit of the day, the new lashes that I've implemented in here, all that good stuff. And I know I enjoyed hanging out with you beautiful babes. Yes, I love my beautiful babes. Yes, I do. Thank you all so much again. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Please have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves, beautiful babes. Like, comment, subscribe. And please share your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.